Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is how to make smiley faces in Microsoft Word. There's a couple of different ways to do this if you want to just put a smiley in. Part of this is the really easy thing. If you're used to email, used to internet chat, anything like that, you can do it the old-fashioned way with an emoticon, however you want to call it, smileys, winkies, those little things with colons, semicolons, and parentheses. We can always put them together any way we want, but Microsoft Word has them the way that it's used to. You can see here that if I type a colon, a dash, and a parenthesis, boom, transforms it right to a smiley face. All set. Now, this is only going to work provided you have the actual settings in place. If I go up to Tools and down to Autocorrect Options, I'm in the Autocorrect tab, and you can see that I have Replace Text as You Type checked. This is a whole list down here that I can scroll through of things that will be replaced with other things if I type them. Microsoft Word is going to do that automatically for me, so you can see that that's exactly what I have here. I have a colon, a dash, and a parenthesis at the end, replaces it with a smiley face. Now then, that has to be checked, otherwise it's not going to automatically transform it. If you don't want it to automatically transform them, you actually want to type a colon, dash, and then the close on the parentheses, you can do that by just unchecking that. I'm going to leave it checked and hit OK. Now, the other way to make sure that you get a smiley face into Microsoft Word is to use symbols. You can simply insert symbol, and not every font is going to have smiley faces, but those that do, you just pick the right one. Arial is always a good ubiquitous font that has smiley faces. In the subsets, it's going to be in miscellaneous dingbats. So if you start up at the top in basic Latin, you can go down where you want by scrolling down through this drop all the way down to miscellaneous dingbats. Click that, you can see that smiley face is actually the first one on the list. You can insert it either by double-clicking. You can see it just inserted over here, or by making sure it's selected, single click, and click Insert, and does exactly the same thing. Close the symbols to get out of there and keep writing your letter, and you can have a smiley day. I'm Jeff, and this is how to make smiley faces in Microsoft Word.